Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aradhna here. I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy, as clearly all the online shops have started delivering the packages. So after a long time, I bought some products from Nykaa and Amazon. So I wanted to share with you guys. As I show the product, I'll also be telling the price of it. So yeah, let's get in the video and check out what is the first product. So I'll start showing the products from moisturizers, foundation, concealers, eyeshadow, kajal and lips. I'll be going in that order. So let's start from moisturizers. I bought some 3 moisturizers. So the first one is the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I got this from Amazon. Vitamin E helps to hydrate the skin, and also I've seen a lot of YouTubers trying this product, so I also wanted to give it a try. It helps moisturizing the skin, and usually most of the moisturizer, once we apply foundation above it, my skin feels very dry, but after using this moisturizer, my skin feels very hydrated. So I'll really recommend this to y'all, and this costs rupees 850. The next moisturizer is this Clinique Moisture Moisturizer, and again this one is in gel consistency, and this one helps to hydrate the skin under the makeup. I also like this one, and this costs rupees 960. This is the mini version of it. And the last moisturizer that I ordered is this Page Hydro Base Under Makeup Moisturizer. This is again in a gel consistency, and it also hydrates the skin very well. I like all 3 moisturizers that I ordered, and also this cost rupees 1500. So that is it for moisturizers. Now let's jump into primers. And for primer, I bought this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is a silicone based primer. You guys must have seen me using this in my vibrant orange makeup look. So if you guys have not checked that video, you can click over here. When you apply this primer, your skin feels like butter, and I really like the texture of this primer, and this cost rupees 499. So now I bought some 2 concealers. One is an orange corrector, as I have some pigmentations around my mouth and under the eyes. To correct that, I got this PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange. This is an orange corrector, and also it hides all the pigmentation. I really like this one, and it also has a good pigment, and this cost rupees 425. And to highlight my face, I got this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. You guys have seen me using this in many of my eye makeup videos, and this actually works well with the makeup. This costs rupees 500. Okay, so let's start with the foundation. And the first foundation that I ordered is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Toffee. The consistency of this foundation is really good, and it also comes with an applicator like this, which helps in easy application of this foundation. The shade is good, the consistency, the way it blends is really very good. But one thing that I didn't like is that it smells a little bit weird, but except that, everything is good, and this costs rupees 599. The next foundation that I ordered is this Benefit Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation in the shade 6. So this again is a really very good foundation, and also it comes with a pump applicator. The shade is really very good, and also the consistency of it is really very good, and this costs rupees 1400. And the next foundation that I ordered is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation in the shade Spice Sand. This again really very good. This has a liquid consistency, and also it comes with a small bottle like this, and the shade is really very good. I've shown this foundation in a lot of my videos, and this costs rupees 1800. And the next foundation that I ordered is this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Caramel. I was really very excited to try this foundation because I've seen again a lot of YouTubers trying it, and again this comes in a pump application, and this foundation it's more liquidy than the Estee Lauder foundation, and it's really very good. It comes in a super classy packaging. So the shade is written here, and there's a Too Faced logo over here. The shade is really very perfect for my skin tone, and this foundation costs rupees 2700. And to blend all these foundation, I got this Wet n Wild Flat Top Foundation Blending Brush. This again blends all the foundation really well. I like this, and also it's really very dense. So, and this costs rupees 300. Okay, now to set all this foundation, I got this PAC Translucent Powder in the shade 01. This is a shade. So this is like a banana powder. It's in the shape like that. It has a mirror, and also this comes in a net form like this. And I'm happy with the shade. It sets all my foundation really well. It doesn't allow my foundation and the concealer to crease out, and this costs rupees 595. Okay, so now let's start with eyes. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I have bought. You guys have seen this in all my videos, all my eye makeup videos. And this is a Revolution Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette, and shades look really very beautiful. It has all kinds of shades like yellow, blue, green, pink, all shades of brown. It also has some beautiful shimmers like rose gold, and some champagne shades as well. So I really love this palette, and I got this for 3,000. Moving on to eyebrows, I bought this Maybelline's Fashion Bro eyebrow pencil. The pigment of this is really very good, and this is in the shade grey, and this cost rupees 205 rupees. Okay, so let's move on to mascaras, and the first one that I bought is this PAC transparent mascara. I already had a mascara in Body Shop, but then that was empty, so I got this PAC transparent mascara. This is a transparent shade. It just curls your lashes and it doesn't give any color, and I like this. I gave it a try once and it curled my lashes really well, and this cost rupees 300. And the next mascara that I bought is this Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara, and this is in the variant waterproof. So actually this mascara gives a super duper volume to your lashes. It curls your lashes really very well, and this removes only when you remove it with a makeup remover. I really like this product, and it also comes with this classy rose gold packaging, and this costs rupees 525. So now let's start with eyeliner, and I got this Swiss Beauty metallic liner in the shade silver. So I got this to create some different kind of looks, and this costs rupees 200. And I got this PAC lash fixer. It's an eyelash glue. There will also be a new video coming up how to fix eyelashes, and this costs rupees 350. Okay, so let's move on to cheeks, and for that I bought this PAC contour refill in the shade 20. The contour is really very good, the shade is good, the pigment is good, and this costs rupees 450. Okay, so let's move on to blush, and I bought this Sugar Mini Blush in shade 03 Marble. So as you guys know, this is my favorite blush. You can just see the shade. This one is an amazing blush. It suits all skin tone, and the pigment is also really very good, and this costs rupees 300. Okay, so let's move on to lips, and I bought this K-Beauty lip liner in the shade Dance Off. This is a beautiful shade lip liner. You can just look at the shade, how it looks. It's really very beautiful. Pigment is really very good. So this is the shade that I've lined my lips today. So this is a beautiful shade, and this costs rupees 250. Okay, so let's move on to lipsticks, which is my favorite part. And the first lipstick that I got is this MAC lipstick in the shade Diva. This is a beautiful dark maroon shade, and this is the shade that I used today. It's amazing. The pigment is really very good, and this MAC lipstick costs rupees 1050. Hope you guys enjoyed this Nykaa and Amazon haul. If you want to buy some products, all the details are there in the description. Also comment down below if you want more hauls like this from other shops as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification button so that you're notified when I upload a video. Stay safe. Bye.